Up everybody, I'm coming on here to show you guys real quick my syrup for my sweet potatoes. I will be doing a full video from start to finish around the Thanksgiving holidays when we do our Thanksgiving holiday series. But today, just real quick, I opened up what it was 5 cans of the Glory sweet potatoes or the Glory yams. I always get them in a heavy syrup. I only use 1 can of the liquid, and we discarded of the rest. I have nutmeg, cinnamon, honey, sugar, regular white sugar, and then brown sugar. And I went in with just a pinch of salt. I also use vanilla and a little bit of Jamaican rum, not even a capful. And I just let it come to a boil. And then I reduced it down and let it get a little thick. I didn't want it to get super thick, but just thick enough because we will be putting those sweet potatoes that Jordan is about to show y'all. I'm going to pour the glaze over it and let it sit in the oven and thicken up. And those are the sweet potatoes. The only thing I did to the sweet potatoes, I dashed a little nutmeg and a little cinnamon over the top. Not a lot. Philip kindly let me use some of his marshmallows. I'm not putting a little. I'm not putting a lot. I'm just putting just a little bit. My hands are clean, you guys. I'm just trying to spread them around. Because I'm just going to pour it on top of the glaze. And I'm not going to use all of this. Even with one can, it makes a lot once you add everything to it. And I do not want this syrup to cover the sweet potatoes at all. I know some people like their sweet potatoes, you know, to kind of be saturated. I don't know. And what I mean by cover them, I don't want them to come all the way up to the top, because I want my juice to kind of cook into the sweet potato. And I just kind of poke them in between. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I did put 2 sticks of butter in here, y'all. I'm sorry. I knew I was forgetting to tell y'all something. You know, I don't forget my butter. I'll use 2 sticks.
And this gonna go in the oven that's preheated at 350 degrees. For how long, babe?
I'm not sure. I just kind of eyeball mine, and I am gonna cover it half the cooking time. I like to cover mine with aluminum foil, you know, just so it can steam. Yeah, if y'all see Jordan's face right now, just so it can steam from the inside out, and like I said, all the potatoes, you know, we get the flavor and the spices and the buttery goodness and all of that.
Okay, guys, she's gonna put it in the oven, and when she get to bring it out, we'll bring you guys back. Hello, family. Thank you for watching the video. And just to let y'all know, the dressing was very delicious. Bae showed out, and she actually did her thing. I didn't get a chance to taste the yams yet, but I'm sure they're good. And thank you for just always supporting the family. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, like, comment, and let us know what you think. And we out of here. Peace.